Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, welcome back to your EVS class. Students, in previous video we had complete explanation of lesson 9 water. In this video we will start exercise and question answers of this lesson. Students, take your EVS book and open page number 42. So students, this is your page number 42 and this is exercise of lesson 9 water. Okay, so let's start. Here we have some questions. Okay, so question is, circle the correct word in the following sentences. So students, in here we have some sentences and some options. So in this question we have to circle correct answers according to sentence. We have to circle correct answer according to sentence. So let's start, students. First one is, we use water every day, weekly. So students, tell me what is the answer of this sentence? Very good. Every day. So circle this. We use water every day. Means हमें water हम every day use करते हैं. Second one, there is more, less water on the earth than land. There is more, less water on the earth than land. So there is more, M-O-R-E, more water on the earth than land. So circle this, M-O-R-E, more. Okay. Third one, water is colorless or blue in color. So students, tell me what is the property of water? Water is colorless. So water is colorless. So circle this. Very good. Water has shape, no shape of its own. So this is also water, property of water. So water has no shape of its own. So circle this, no shape. Understood all of you? Now come on your next question. Question B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So here we have some blanks. So in this question we have to fill these blanks with correct answer. Okay. So first one, we all need water to live. We all need water to live. L-I-V-E, live. L-I-V-E, live. We all need water to live. Second one, we get water from many sources. We get water from many sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S, sources. We get water from many sources. Third one, rain is the main source of water. Rain, R-A-I-N, rain is the main source of water. Fourth one, water takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R, container in which it is kept. So again look here. We all need water to live. We get water from many sources. Rain is the main source of water. Water takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Understood all of you, students? Now turn off question answers. So take your EVS notebook and open new page of your notebook. Okay. So students, this is your EVS notebook and students is open new page in your EVS notebook. Okay. So like previous lessons, firstly we will write today's date. Today's 8 July 2021. Okay. After this, firstly in first line we will write lesson number LESSON, lesson 9. ओके एंड स्टूडेंट्स, जिस तरह से मैम ने लिखा है आपको सेम टू सेम बिल्कुल वैसे ही लिखना है. ओके एंड आफ्टर वन लाइन यू हैव टू राइट लेसन नेम वाटर, WATER, वाटर. ओके now we will start question answers and students if you want then you can write question from your book. okay अगर एंड स्टूडेंट्स इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन क्वेश्चंस, स्टूडेंट्स अगर आपको क्वेश्चन लिखने में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप अपनी बुक की हेल्प से क्वेश्चन नोटबुक में राइट कर सकते हैं. ओके अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू. नाउ लुक हियर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. आफ्टर वन लाइन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट question answers. Okay, so students your question first. Question C first one, 4 simple properties of water. 4 simple properties of water. So students firstly look here again. Firstly you have to write today's date. Okay, after date you have to in first line you have to write top of the page you have to write lesson number LESSON, lesson 9 and after one line you have to write lesson name water. जिस तरह से मैम ने लिखा है बिल्कुल आपको उसी तरह से लिखना है गुड हैंड राइटिंग में. ओके नाउ क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, 4 सिंपल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर. 4 सिंपल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर. सो आंसर इज water is colorless. WATER, water is COLOUR, colorless. LESS, water is colorless. Second one, water is tasteless. TASTELESS, water is tasteless. And you have to write left one line. मीन्स आपको एक एक लाइन लेफ्ट करके ही आंसर्स लिखने हैं. ओके थर्ड वन इज वाटर इज शेपलेस. सो WATER, वाटर इज SHAPELESS, वाटर इज शेपलेस. फोर्थ वन, water is odorless. WATER, water is odorless. ODOUR, odorless. LESS, odorless. Okay, again look here, 4 simple properties of water. So first one, water is colorless. Look here students, water is colorless, water is tasteless, water is shapeless and water is odorless. And students you have to write correct answer, means you have to write correct spellings. Okay, so look carefully this video and do this one. Okay, next one, question second, 3 activities which you can do without water. मीन्स आपको क्वेश्चन सेकंड आपको 3 एक्टिविटीज़ ऐसे लिखनी है जो आप वाटर के बिना कर सकते हो, जिसमें आपको वाटर की नीड नहीं होती. तो देन आंसर सिंगिंग, SINGING, सिंगिंग. ड्राइंग, DRAWING, ड्राइंग. एंड थर्ड वन इज जंपिंग, JUMPING, jumping. And if you want then you can write any other activities also. Okay, so 3 activities which you can do without water. So first one singing, second one drawing and third one jumping. Okay, understood all of you. Question 3, 3 activities which you can not do without water. मीन्स आपको क्वेश्चन 3 में आपको 3 एक्टिविटीज़ ऐसी लिखनी है जो आप वाटर के बिना नहीं कर सकते. ओके. इन क्वेश्चन सेकेंड यू हैव टू राइट दोज एक्टिविटीज दोज यू कैन डू विदाउट वाटर. एंड क्वेश्चन 3 आपको ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ लिखनी है जो आप वाटर के बिना नहीं कर सकते. ओके. सो आंसर इज स्विमिंग, bathing and making food. So SWIMMING, swimming, bathing, BATHING, bathing and making food, MAKING, making food. Okay, making food. Understood all of you? Question 4. 3 ways to save water. 3 ways to save water. आपको वाटर सेव करने के 3 ways लिखने हैं, मतलब 3 तरीके लिखने हैं. ओके. सो फर्स्ट वन इज टर्न ऑफ द टैप्स. TURN, टर्न. OFF, ऑफ द टैप्स. TAPS, taps. So first one is turn off the taps. Okay, TURN, turn. OFF, off the taps. Second one, shower with less. Shower with less. SHOWER, shower with less. WITH, with less. LESS, less. Okay. Next one, turn off the water while brushing your teeth. TURN, turn. OFF, off the water. WATER, water. WHILE, while brushing. BRUSHING, brushing your. YOUR, your teeth. TEETH, teeth. Turn off the water while brushing your teeth. So 3 ways to save water. So first one is turn off the taps. Second one, shower with less. And third one, turn off the water while brushing your teeth. Understood all of you students? Very good. Next one, question first. Our earth has more water than land. Still we say water is scarce. Save it, why? So answer is because very little water on the earth is fresh and safe for drinking. स्टूडेंट्स के हमारे अर्थ पर लैंड के कंपेयर में वाटर ज़्यादा है, तब भी कहते हैं कि वाटर सेव करें. देन वाई, क्यों? सो आंसर इज बिकॉज. VECAUSE, बिकॉज. VERY, very. LITTLE, little water. WATER, water. On the earth. on. THE, the earth. EARTH, earth is fresh. FRESH, fresh. And safe, SAFE, safe for drinking. DRINKING, drinking. Okay, next one. We cannot use sea as a water source for our household activities. Why? हम सी का वाटर क्यों यूज़ नहीं कर सकते अपनी हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटीज़ में? वाई? बिकॉज सी वाटर इज सॉल्टी. SEA, बिकॉज सी. SEAC, WATER, water is too salty. SALTY, salty. Okay students, understood all of you? Questions of lesson 9. Understood all of you? How will you do questions of lesson 9 in your EVS notebook? 4 simple properties of water. Water is colorless, water is tasteless, water is shapeless, and water is odorless. 3 activities which you can do without water: singing, drawing, jumping. And 3 activities which you can do, and 3 activities which you can not do without water. So swimming, bathing and making food. 3 ways to save water. Turn off the taps, shower with less, turn off the water while brushing your teeth. Question. Next one question. Our earth has more water than land, then still we say water is scarce. Save it. Why? Because very little water on the earth is fresh and safe for drinking. Question second. We cannot use sea as a water source for our household activities. Why? Because sea water is too salty. So students, understood all of you? आप जिस तरह से मैम ने राइट किया हुआ है नोटबुक में, आपको बिल्कुल उसी तरह नोटबुक में राइट करना है. ओके, एंड इन गुड हैंड राइटिंग एंड वेरी केयरफुली. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल अगेन टेल यू, राइट करेक्ट स्पेलिंग्स. आपको वीडियो में से देखकर करेक्ट स्पेलिंग राइट करनी है. बिल्कुल केयरफुली राइट करना और करेक्ट स्पेलिंग राइट करनी है. ओके, एंड इन गुड हैंड राइटिंग. ओके, जिस तरह से मैम ने राइट किया हुआ है. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? सो कंप्लीट दिस वर्क इन योर EVS नोटबुक एंड बुक ऑल्सो. ओके, बाय. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.